I'd like to talk about the filters on this truck. These obviously are attached to the pumps on the other side, or the pump here. This is the filter for the 20 gallon a minute pump. Simply take off this ring and take this off to drain this. This is a very large filter. This is for our 60 gallon a minute pump. And this has a special lock here that when you turn this and pull this out, it actually closes a valve in the back of the filter so that the liquid's not going to run out of your truck. And then of course you have an oversized filter in here specifically designed to handle all the liquid that's coming in through your system. Also, we have a drain system for all of the tanks on the truck. The drain system is located right here behind this panel, and the large red handle here, depending upon which way you turn it, actually opens a different tank. So I can drain all of these large tanks separately from one another, and I control that with a special fitting that comes out right underneath the body of the truck. It's a cam coupler, so we can provide you hose and cam coupler attachments to go to that so that you can control, where it goes and how long the hose is and so forth. We can make that specially up for you. On the cone tank on the other side of the truck, there's a three-way ball valve under the cone tank. So when the valve is turned one way, that's the suction line into the pumps. When it's turned the opposite way, it drains the 60 gallon tank. So we have a great way of cleaning the tanks, again helping you to winterize, just making the tank so much more easy to maintain.